churros. First, in a kadai or saute pan, add water. Now, add 1 tablespoon of butter and keep stirring well until the butter gets dissolves. Now that the butter is melted, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then stir it until it dissolves in the water. Now just add a pinch of salt and wait until the water starts boiling. Now we are going to reduce the fire and add 1 cup of maida and let the maida absorb that water completely. And now we are going to make it into a soft dough. Here comes the most important part. Make sure there are not any lumps in the dough while kneading. Knead as much as possible and transfer it into a bowl or a plate. When it's bearably hot, knead it with your hands and make it into a soft, smooth dough without any lumps. Now take the dough and split it into 2 or 4 parts. Take the small parts and roll it into thin cylinders. Usually the dough is put into the piping bag and squeezed directly into the oil. Since we are not using the piping bags, we are going to roll it with our hands and cut it into mini cylinders with our knives. This is a popular Spanish dish which is eaten for snacks, but we are making the Indianized version of it. Don't mistake it for a Korean tteokbokki which is made with boiled rice. Now we are pouring some oil to fry the churros and we are going to heat it. The oil is hot enough. We are going to add the mini churros in small batches. As soon as you add the churros, keep stirring them so they don't stick to each other.
One eternity later.
When the churros turn golden brown, take it out of the kadai and place it into a bowl. When all the churros are done, coat it with cinnamon sugar or powdered sugar and serve it hot.